What is up, guys, and welcome to today's video. So guys, long time no see, but I'm back. Today I'm gonna speak about consistency before intensity. It's such an important topic with it, like for entrepreneurs to understand that consistency is like it's more important than intensity. We understand that logically, but if you look at how most entrepreneurs work, they are not consistent, guys, not consistent. So let me just tell you this. So let's say you have two persons. You have me and you have yourself, all right? And we both go and work out on Monday, all right? This Monday we're gonna work out, and our max rep, like the max rep we can do on deadlifts, are 10, all right? So let's say I go and pick the heaviest weight I can and do 10 reps on Monday, all right? As heavy as I can, I do the max amount of reps, which is 10. And you only do 5. You stop halfway. Who do you think is gonna be stronger on Tuesday? Probably you, because I won't even be able to train on Tuesday because I'm fucking sore because I went out and maxed my reps on the deadlift. So at the end of the week, I will probably train Monday, Wednesday, and then Friday. Then I'm dead. Like if I go max 3 times a week, I am freaking dead. All right. But if you go to only 5 reps, let's say 5 times a day, that's 35 reps. All right. And if I go to max 3 times a day, that's 30 reps. So you do 5 reps more than me every week, all right? And in the span of a year, you know how much that adds up. And what I'm trying to say is that most entrepreneurs, they literally go to the gym and they do their max lift every day. And that includes me. And that's why I'm making a video about it, because it's so important to understand that you can't go to max every day. You can't. Like professional athletes, professional whatever, they never go to max all the time. You only see them go to max when they're about to go into a competition. Do you think Conor McGregor, Floyd Mayweather, or I don't know, Tiger Woods trains at their max level, max capacity every day? Hell no. So why are you working at your max capacity? Like, if you're in this for the long term, you gotta understand that consistency is more important than intensity. So you have 52, I think it's 52 weeks a year. And if you're doing 5 more reps than me a week, so 5 times 52, guys, that's more than 260 reps in total. 260 reps, you've done more than me at the end of the year. And you feel better, like you're more energetic, you feel stronger. And me, I'm freaking burnt out because I'm going to my max every day. Like, guys, you can't go to your max every day, and you're just having an illusion that you're going to your max every day when you're working. That's an illusion, because you can't. You can't go 100% every day. That's impossible. So when you're actually working every day and thinking you're going to 100%, you're not. You're probably around 50 or 60%. So guys, think about this. Consistency before intensity. If you're in it for the long run, don't burn yourself out every day. You deserve, if you've worked hard, you deserve to go out and have some fun. You deserve at the end of the day to, I don't know, if you deserve to watch some TV, watch some Netflix, watch a documentary, hang out with your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. What I'm trying to say is that consistency before intensity. Like, develop a system so that you have something to look forward to when you work, so that you're not only killing yourself and going to max all the time. And what I like to do is, after a full day of work, when I've worked for, like, let's say I wake up 6:30, 6 a.m. and I go work out at the gym. I'm around like my 70% mark of max capacity. I come home at 9, I start working. I work to around 7 p.m. After 7 p.m. I just chill. I'm on YouTube, like I'm all on internet. I'm not watching TV, but maybe I'm watching Netflix. I'm watching House of Cards. I'm watching Mad Men, like a few episodes. So I'm trying to make myself last for the long run, and that's what I'm trying to say. So I don't want to keep it too long, but what I'm trying to say is that in the long run, I will be stronger than you if you go to your max. Don't go to your max. Be smart about it. Consistency before intensity, guys. So that was everything for today. Guys, I'm going to be up with more content, more than ever, focusing on YouTube a lot right now. So hit that subscribe button, and I see you in the next video.